Your company may not be a data company, but if your business collects personal data, you already have a data protection responsibility. Think about the information your organization handles every single day. Customer names, phone numbers, email addresses, employee records, contact information, financial information, information collected through your website, mobile applications, CRM platforms, customer support systems, third-party software, and the list goes on. The question is not whether your business handles personal data. For most organizations, the question is, do you actually know what happens to that data once you collect it? Do you know where it goes? Who can access it? Why is it being processed? How long is it retained? Which third parties receive it? India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act, or DPDPA, represents an important shift in how businesses need to approach personal data. And one thing businesses need to understand is this: DPDPA is not simply a legal document exercise. It is not just about creating a privacy policy and putting it on your website. It is about how your organization collects, processes, stores, shares, protects, and manages personal data. That makes DPDPA relevant not only to your legal team, but also to your leadership, IT, cybersecurity, HR, product, engineering, operations, and vendor management teams. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a customer signs up for your platform. They provide their name, email address, phone number, and other information. That data may then move through multiple systems. Your website collects it. Your application processes it. Your CRM stores it. A third-party service may receive it. Your employees may access it. Your cloud infrastructure stores it. Now ask yourself, do you know exactly where that data goes? Who can access it? Why is it being processed? How long is it retained? Which third parties receive it? And what happens when the customer no longer needs your service? This is where data protection becomes a business responsibility. And this is where cybersecurity and data protection intersect. Suppose an attacker gains unauthorized access to your customer database. The immediate problem is obviously a cybersecurity incident. But the impact does not necessarily stop there. You may also have questions around what personal data was involved, whose data was affected, how was the data being protected, who had access to it, was the data shared with third parties, and what obligations arise from the incident? This is why organizations shouldn't treat cybersecurity and privacy as completely separate conversations. For founders and business leaders, this is especially important. Personal data isn't limited to the security team's responsibility. Your business processes determine what data you collect. Your product determines how that data is used. Your technology determines where that data is stored. Your vendors may process that data on your behalf. And your employees may have access to it. So ultimately, data protection becomes an organizational responsibility. A good starting point is to ask 5 simple questions. What personal data do we collect? Why do we collect it? Where is that data stored and processed? Who has access to it, including third-party vendors? And what controls do we have in place to protect it? If your organization cannot confidently answer these questions, that's a good indication that your data protection program needs a closer look. DPDPA should not be viewed as something businesses address only when an audit happens, after a data breach, or when a customer raises a complaint. A mature organization builds privacy and security into its processes from the beginning. That means understanding your data, reducing unnecessary data collection, controlling access, managing third-party risks, implementing appropriate security measures, creating accountability, and continuously reviewing how personal data moves across the organization. So the question isn't simply, do we have a privacy policy? The more important question is, do we actually know how our organization manages and protects personal data? Because DPDPA is not just about compliance. It's about trust, security, governance, and responsible business operations. If your organization collects or processes personal data, now is the right time to understand where you stand, identify the gaps, and start building a structured approach to data protection. At CyberTorch, we believe data protection should be treated as a business capability, not just a compliance checkbox. Follow CyberTorch for more insights on cybersecurity, data protection, GRC, and compliance.